Planners. This is Tina Phillips from A Wild Plan, and I'm going to go over an update of the simple planner that I launched a long time ago. This is my very first planner, and I've gone through and revamped it, reworked it, and hopefully it'll be just as nice as it was last year, but I'm hoping I've made it a little bit better. And it's dated for 2019. The undated version is available currently in the shop, but this is the newest updated 2019 version. And like I did last year, this was kind of experiment, also offering both the Sunday and Monday together, and I've decided that works great. I'm going to keep going with all of that. So again, in this listing, you will find both PDFs of a Sunday start and a Monday start. That's why you kind of see two on my screen right now. But let's go ahead and dive in there. You get this little intro thing where you can kind of decorate your stuff and have this planner belongs to, that kind of thing. I think people tend to like the blank ones better. They want to fill it out the way they want to. And as you can see, the graphics are nice and clear as you zoom in. And the file size is still very small. It's less than 5 megs for the entire planner itself. I really strive to make that a priority, to make these planners small in file size, because I know that a lot of people will fill these up with lots of stuff, and the smaller the better when you're first starting out. And again, the little heart paper clip will go to the sticker sheet. This one seems to be the smaller one. I do offer the smaller set of stickers that you get with it to start out with, but you also get one of the changes this year is that I'm also offering the PNGs separately. So if you are a non-GoodNotes user, you can download the PDF and still have all the stickers as an individual PNGs. I don't think I had that last year because I didn't know how to give that to you guys, but now I think I've learned a lot. The other big change in this planner is that I've taken away, I didn't require you to have labels already done. Again, I wasn't sure when I did this first planner, I thought people wanted these pre-labeled, and I've had requests that they didn't want them labeled anymore, so they are no longer labeled, and they just go to various blank types of pages. Either one with the spiral in the center, or you also have one with notepads, and then one with blank, one with just the plain spiral in the center. So let's go back, and I'll kind of walk through the planner with you really fast. And being just a super simple planner where there's not a lot of bells and whistles, you just need a simple planner because you like to add things yourself, that's fine. And it's just kind of also a little more fun of a font. I changed the font. You get an overview with Monday Start for 2019 at a glance. And I kind of played around with not having, the spiral is nice, but sometimes it just kind of gets in the way. So you'll find that it'll disappear on some templates, and that seems to work out fine for people to have that nice little thing only when you need it. And this is just your month. You get dated months for this one. The undated one just obviously has undated everything that you can date yourself. And then you get this nice little week where it's kind of horizontal with this spiral, just to make it a little bit more fun. And then you also have a daily spread where you have your morning and your afternoon kind of separated out. So that's really all there is to it. This is just a really straightforward little planner. And then each, you can label your tabs down here whatever you'd like. In addition to that, I've given you a dot grid page and a lined page. And then I've also been starting to add little author pages. So if you get lost or whatever, I always have tutorials and stuff. And so I put this at the very back, so you know where it came from, you know where to get help. If you need help with anything, this is where you go. So this is a good starter planner for somebody who's kind of, getting started with planning and just wants something nice and neat. This is also great for kids who don't really need a lot of the stuff that grown-ups need and just need a place to put their notes and things like that. So that's really all there is to it for this one. And then, like I said, it's dated for 2019. And I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.